Or of Bibian or Hemibian, within the Reverend Samuel's Yantachi. Medikind, the election 2024 on prophecies be about better internet and also a be YouTube. Radigu so done no my train. Now, a normal order the chain in an iron so your bar na yaka. The be person make my sons will when I say Electoral Commission, Mameno. I will say your boy won't pipe. We need to pray for the Electoral Commission of Ghana. If we say, year 2 about New Year 2024, a moja be good. There's going to be a lot of violence. Moja be brave, be good, basabasa be brave, baba. It be very difficult for the woman to declare the bakra wa winning abana. So we need to pray for the Electoral Commission of Ghana. Mama nimpo ne ho ya me mobo. If I see what she will go through, and the Ghana for the be ye omo during the impending 2024 election, na my rebel. Again, asofo amashankom ediama NPP nyina no. Ye to abani wia ye be hye mo. Asofo bi a washankom ediama NPP bia no. They will come after you. They will come after you. If you prophesy for MPP, na say ya to abani we na MPP winia, they will come after you. Opa, mark my words. So what gonna be there for MPP? Na what can I say you nyamese kana prepare say a home a share what they will beat you, make you for be back about attack him. That is what I saw. So we must pray for the Electoral Commission. Basa ye be si wa fi we about to let you know. But my men about to declare. The woman cannot declare the pakura we winning and the pakura we lose. Ebe check and sana what you declare we winning. Cause basa ye too much. Ghana for we must wake up and pray. When you wake up on the empire, we must wake up and pray. This election, it is not easy. Some of us, by the grace of God, we have the prophetic grace and we see the ABC. We must wake up and pray. This woman needs prayer. The commission needs prayer. You want prayer and fan support to the Electoral Commission of Ghana. Just after that, no, she cannot declare. Me who said na ya two abane because of the violence. I didn't do MPP winning. But my need to be declared. I didn't